Hi, and welcome back to Sony Simplified. I'm Travis, and today we will be unboxing the ULT Field 5. Now, pound for pound, this is my favorite portable speaker Sony's made, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you what's in the box, how to set this up through Sound Connect app, and unlock all of the potential, and then we will go through some of the features and technology of how it's built and what you can expect to find on the speaker. So if you find this information useful, please remember to like and subscribe. If you already are a subscriber, feel free to go back and look at the previous ULT Field 5s, and you will get a lot more information and more to come. All right, so let's dive in. First, I'm going to show you the inside panel of the box. You will see right here an insert that has the QR code for the Sony Sound Connect app. All you have to do is scan that and download it, and it'll walk you through the setup. If you do not want to use the QR code, you can also just search for Sony Sound Connect in the Android or the Apple Marketplace, and you will have access to it through that as well. Next, you will see the product and warranty card. This has all the information you need for registering your product. We'll have a slide about that later. There are some benefits to doing that. That information can also be found on the box as far as the, let's see, right here on the side. You'll have some of the product information is there as well. And last but not least, you will have your handy strap. This is a feature I did not use at first, but once I connected it, it is probably one of my favorite things about the speaker now, especially for my lifestyle and what I use it for. On the box, you will see instructions on the strap and how to connect it. It's pre-assembled. It's very easy. The nice thing is it's made out of very good material. There's a little bit of flexibility to it, but it's very sturdy. You'll have the ULT Power Sound embroidery in it, so aesthetically it's really nice. And more important is the connectors. They're made out of metal, so these are going to hold up to weathering conditions very well. So you won't have to worry about leaving this outside or some of the environmental things that might normally damage a plastic or less expensive or less sturdy product. So next, let's talk about the speaker. So the ULT 5, you will notice it's mesh fabric. It's very sturdy, very solid. This is an IP67 rated speaker, so it is dust proof and water resistant. We also use, and this is why I think this is one of the best values, is the X-Balance subwoofer in here is Sony technology that allows you to get lower bass and more out of a speaker that would be this traditional size of a driver. There are two tweeters up front, which do allow you to have stereo separation. This also comes in handy if you're going to do a couple of these and pair them together as left and right stereo. It will do proper stereo separation and give you very good sound. On top of that, there's also passive radiators on the side. So not only are you getting a nice deep bass from the X-Balance subwoofer, this will flatten it out and make it a lot smoother and deeper than it would traditionally go. So these combined, these technologies make this one of the best sounding speakers at the size I've ever heard. On top of the speaker, you'll see the power, Bluetooth, play, pause, volume up, down, the ULT bass button, which we'll show you in a little bit. There's 3 settings for that. The first setting is off. You hit it again, that will put more of just kind of a bass boost, but better for frequencies than what a traditional bass boost is. It's not just a loudness. It fills in some of the lower gaps. So depending on the genre of music you listen to, it's not necessary, or it is based on what your preference is and how you want to listen. If you hit it again, that goes to what I call assault bass. If you're in a large environment or you're just trying to get on the throttle and make this as loud as possible, that assault bass does a tremendous job at filling a large space and getting extremely loud. A lot louder than you probably need, but that's a huge benefit by having that extra that headroom. You're never going to have to turn this up to full volume to get good sound or what you want. On the back, you will see the drop-down panel, and here's where you can charge it or use a external device for audio input. There's a light button to toggle the lights on or off. If you prefer in a scenario where you don't want the light, you just hit the button. I like the lights. There's also some light controls on an app you can do. There's a battery button, and it will show you the life of a battery and battery care. Speaking of battery, this does have up to a 25-hour battery life, which is extremely good for something that sounds this powerful and this size. So now let me show you what it looks like with the straps on and how to connect that. You'll see on top here, these two tabs. You just fold them over, pull them out, fold them over, and you'll see the two little mesh fabrics popping out. And these will just easily insert right in. You untangle this. And there you go. You're ready to go. This comes in handy, like I was saying, because the speaker is portable enough you can carry it with one hand. It's light enough to where you can go distances. It probably won't fatigue you. But if you're in somewhere where you're not going to be around a vehicle or it's going to be moving, like on the beach or camping, or anywhere that you're kind of traveling with this, it comes in handy because you can just strap it around your shoulder, not worrying about carrying it, and it opens up both your hands for free, so you can carry your cooler or whatever other things you are bringing with you for your fun that day. Oh yeah, also one other thing with the battery is this also has quick charge. So if you do happen to run out of gas, all you have to do is charge this for 10 minutes and you can get at least up to 2 hours of extra use out of this guy. So that's only happened to me a couple times, but when it has, that's been a great feature to have. If you have any questions up to this point, please put them in the chat, and towards the end of the show, we will go through those and I'll be able to answer everything I can. Anything I can't answer, I'll make sure that we come back to this and get you the information you're requesting. We love these to be as interactive as possible. So with the speaker all connected, strap on, and everything charged up, I'm going to show you what this does powered on and how to set it up with the Sound Connect app. All right, now that I've told you about the speaker, let's turn it on and set it up through the Sound Connect app. I'm going to assume that you have yours downloaded and installed, so let's start. So open up Sound Connect. You'll see where it'll give you a little power indicator to turn the speaker on. Once you turn the speaker on, it will give you the ULT Field 5 pop-up and allow you to connect it. And once it pairs, you will hear the connection. There we go, and we're all set. Device is paired. Some of the cool features on the app, which I was talking about, unlocking the full potential in sound out of the speaker, the ULT Field 5. I'm going to show you how those look. So on your app, if you go into the DJ control, you'll see DJ off, isolator, or custom EQ. Custom EQ is what I usually use it in. That way I can kind of set it up for how I would like to sound. So once you have that EQ set up, you can actually adjust it on the fly, so you can make changes while the music's going for full customization. There's also like robots, drums, scratch, so you can have some fun with this too at a party. Next are, let's see. You have the party lights. Like I was telling you earlier about the light control, you can go to custom colors, party flash, or you can reset and start over and just drag and drop. So on all of the lights and the colors, you'll see it right here. As I drag around let's see, get this up here. You can just drag around the dial. You can get it wherever setup you want. You can hit party flash. You can just do your own settings, set it up to how you'd like. Reset it to go from the start. So this is handy if you are trying to get this set up, or you're like trying to match colors with some theme for a party or anything like that, or if you just want the extra ambiance. So after you have that set up, everything should be good to go. If you don't want to get into the DJ or party light controls, there is a device setting tab. This goes to all of the different things you can go to unlock or customize or change. So you have sound quality and volume. You can adjust your sound effect, which is the Alt 1 setting for deeper, lower bass. Alt 2, which is just the overall, like I said, increased power. It makes everything loud from low frequencies to high frequencies. Or the customized setting, which is going to be your equalizer settings. Next, you have the function and connection. So it'll show you function and Bluetooth. You can connect the two devices. It'll show you, you can toggle between the devices you use. You also have the Bluetooth connection quality priority, which is something that I use. So if you're going to take this somewhere that has a lot of interference with other Bluetooth or other signals out there, you can prioritize sound quality or a stable connection depending on where you're at. I've never had an issue with that, so I just leave mine in sound quality mode, but it is there just in case it's something that you need to utilize. There's a Party Now tab, which will allow you to do the DJ control and party lights if you don't want to just tap them in from the front page of the Sound Connect app. And then you have your battery and power care settings for the battery care on or off, auto standby, or the stand them on and off for kind of like just a control or have a little bit more say in what you want the battery option to use. Then on the system settings, you can download any software updates through the app. Most of those will prompt you when you open the app, but if you want to manually check, all of this is in there as well. So thank you for watching today's video on the ULT Field 5, and please subscribe to the channel for more content, and remember to register your product. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.